I'm making this simple video to hopefully help others when they are trying to make a decision on a solution for a door opener closer. This is certainly not a professionally done video, just something I shot on my iPhone and pieced together, so please forgive me. My wife and I had a rather unique situation. We had just moved into a 2-level twin home. Getting from the main floor to the lower level is a 15-stair trip, and my wife has knee and back issues. The challenge has to do with our 3 pet cats. At night, we put them to bed in a room on the lower level, closing the door. My wife gets up early in the morning and wishes to give the cats their freedom, but the stairs were going to be a problem. So I looked for some type of opener solution for her. Luckily, I found the Olide120B on Amazon. I'd researched several applications, but they were simply out of our price range. The Olide was very reasonably priced, I thought. I'm a fair DIY guy, but to be honest, I wasn't sure I could handle installing this unit. Well, I was wrong. It was much easier than I'd imagined. Between the excellent instructions, online videos, and the fantastic U.S. mainland customer support, I installed it in less than 3 hours. I must say I'm pretty proud of myself. I installed it on a basic 32-inch hollow core door in the bedroom. The customer support person suggested I reinforce the mounting area on the door with a 1/4 inch piece of plywood, which I did. I ran the electrical wiring along the door under the molding and along the floor also under the molding. I hardwired it into a nearby outlet. So for us, here's how it works. At night, I put the cats to bed and push the button on the remote, which I have velcroed to the room's door frame. The unit comes with 2 remotes, so my wife has the other remote on her bedside table. In the morning, she simply pushes the button on the remote and the door opens, just like magic. So she is able to open the door on a separate floor from the warmth of her bed. She is one happy cat mom, believe me. We both are very pleased with the Olide120B and highly recommend it to anyone who has basic DIY skills. It's priced significantly lower than the other units that look similar. It's delivered in excellent packaging, and it's been working for us perfectly for the past several months. I can honestly say you can buy it with confidence.